12 by 42 ED IPX nitrogen-filled waterproof binoculars with image and stabilization. Bird watching, hunting, anywhere you need to, look for distance. These binoculars may be right for you. Over here, this is the binocular. It has a PD adjustment, as you can see, goes in and out. It is with a grip black rubber. You have here eye protections that cover the lens, as well as drop down ones in the front. Your focus adjustment area and your pupil adjustment on each of them. I'll give you a nice close-up look. You can see the binoculars looking through. You have a strap that's easy to put on. Basically, you just open up the strap on one side, pull, take the sleeve to the end, and push up and remove the inner strap. Take the inner strap, slide it through the loop. With the lens cover on, you have a little loop as well. You're going to slide this end of the strap through. And when you remove the lens cover, you have a place that it won't fall off of. You're given a micro cleaning cloth to clean the lenses, a phone holder monocular attachment, a compass and magnifier with the strap, so when you're in the woods, you know your direction, as well as a whistle, along with an instruction guide on how to use your binoculars. You're given a 1/4 20 thread and mount adapter, as well as a tripod with extendable legs. It is adjustable to height. With the two 1/4 20 threads on the bottom, you simply mount it to the tripod like so. On the side of the phone holder, you mount your phone like so. With the camera side, you put your phone on. You adjust your binoculars down to the camera's area. The binocular you place on and tighten down and adjust. And then you're able to look, adjust with one eye, and take your photos with the other. The binoculars has a Doppler adjustment where it goes off of the actual lens, and the focus adjustment here. For eye adjustment of a single lens, this ring is adjustable by turning. The other one's just adjustable. The binocular pulls in 1,000 foot, size of a football field. Clear HD vision, seeing through the lenses. The FMC lenses and low level light with the 17 millimeter and Bake 4 vision. These binoculars will offer you a nice close-up look at anything that you are looking through the lens. When all done, simply turn around and the lenses get really well protected by the covers. I hope you enjoy your set of binoculars, no matter where you take them. They are very crystal clear, easy to see at night through the smartphone. And I hope you enjoy your binoculars, if this is right for you.